She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shiela, and today this look will be created by myself with this cute neon attire. I hope you guys love it. If you guys want to know more, so without any further delay, let's get started.
Before I start makeup, I'm using baby wipes because it keeps my skin moisture and hydrate. And I'm using Powergen Formula BC Factor Vitamin C Serum. It keeps my skin light and hydrate. Apply it well. I'm using Maybelline New York Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation, the shade Natural Baggy. Dab it with BB blender gently. Tap, 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 tap. Here I'm using my favorite Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette, and it comes with a 42 shade, and I'm using Aquatic. It's very green and fresh color. And draw it well. Gently move in a circular motion and blend it well. Because makeup is art, you can create yourself in any look. And I'm using Future. It's kind of pink and very sweet color, and I love the color so much. Yeah, Pierce. And I'm using Miniso brow. It comes with 3-in-1, and it's very light and very amazing, and it's very work for me. And I'm using Oriflame eyeliner. I love Wings eyeliner because it make my eye pop. Yeah. And voila. Here is Rimmel face powder to touch up my face, and dab dab dab, dab dab the brush and apply it well. Yeah. And once again, Makeup Revolution highlighter. Look at that. Ooh, so cute. And yeah, this highlighter really work for me and make your skin glow. Little bit of highlighter on the nose and cheeks, on the chin. Yeah, on the cheeks. And then I apply more blush matte powder, the shade Rose Tea. David, and smile, 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 and apply it gently. And for the lips, I'm using L'Oreal Paris Infallible Forever Pusher. Here I'm using my favorite Victoria's Secret lip gloss Indulgence, which is so glowy and give you lip plump and hydrate and so sweet and cute. And mascara 24K Gold, and apply that. For highlight my brow bone, I'm using a winter shade. Gently. Look at, ooh, looking so amazing, and it pop your eye, and then voila.
Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like and share the video and subscribe to the channel for more new videos.